Kincaid Auction Realty is conducting an internet auction of automotive tire and brake machines in Homosassa, Florida, ending on June the 18th. Highlighted items are a Corgi A2024 Ti pneumatic tire changing machine, a spin wheel balancer with a safety tire cover, and a Bear brake lathe for turning drums and rotors. These machines were being used regularly until the garage was sold and the new owners no longer wanted to sell tires as part of their service business. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com, for more details and follow the links to register and bid on this huge event. You'll also find other items like woodworking machines, sign-making printers, and fitness equipment you can pick up in Homosassa, or we will ship it directly to you. Do not tarry because the auction ends on Monday, June the 18th.